Hello and Namaste everyone, it's me Sampurna Bartaula and welcome to Sampurna Vlogs YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing great and in good health. If this is your first time watching my channel or visiting my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yes, of course, studying in Canada needs series of documentation, medical examinations and visa application fee. In today's video, I want to cover how much cost is required in order to study in Canada. So many of you are having a doubt in your mind before starting a visa application. So how much cost is required in order to study from the very beginning to the end of visa application process. Canada is a bilingual country with two official languages, English and French. However, most of the province offer English one. So the very first thing is you need to book your IELTS examination. So I had booked my IELTS exam on September 2019. The cost of IELTS exam during that time was 13,500 Nepalese rupee. So the next one is, if you are hiring a consultant, then your budget will be a little higher. However, I suggest you to have a handful of research and apply by yourselves. As I am here to help you in each steps, I have been uploading a video with each steps and each details how to apply a Canadian student visa and what are the documents required for those visa. You can have a look my upcoming videos. The next step is to apply for offer letter. However, the price differ from one college to another college or one university to another university. But the price range is in between 75 CAD to 150 CAD. I have applied just to one university, that is University of Ottawa, and I have paid $100. Again, it depends how many university you are going to apply. The price range differ on that. After you receive an admission letter from college or university, next step is that you have to pay a fee. You can either pay a semester fee or a year fee. That depends on you. Yes, Canadian education is very expensive and the ranges of fee for undergrad is 15,000 to 25,000, and for PG courses the ranges is above 16,000 to around 25,000. But if you are applying for a university for your masters, then price will go a bit higher. It is very expensive for masters education. It usually ranges from 23,000 to 35,000. All the amount I have mentioned is per year fee and the amount is in Canadian dollar. Now you will have a receipt of your fee payment and your admission letter. The next process is documentation. I have already made video on financial documents required. However, you need a good source of income to show yourself you are capable enough to pay a fee, or either you can take an educational loan which is around 30 lakhs Nepalese rupees and you have to pay interest of that educational loan. To get ready with other documents like your relationship certificate, your source of income certificate and your CA certificate and many more, you need extra 25 to 30,000 Nepalese currency. Now the next step is to apply for visa. You need to book your date for visa application. During the visa application, you need to pay $150 for student visa application and $85 for biometry. So finally, if you got your visa, and then yes, it's time to book your flight ticket. Flight ticket again differ from one airlines to another airlines. It depends on which airline you go through. However, the normal range price to fly to Canada from Nepal is around 70,000 to 1 lakh or even more than that sometimes. Last but not the least, you have to bring few dollars with you to make sure you survive for a few months until you get a job and so on. So these are the main process and amount required for each steps. However, a lot of unforeseeable expenses will be occur during this process. So it is an estimated value and differs from person to person cases, and also depends on which courses or which college or university you are going to enroll in, and mainly it differs from different province to province in Canada. I hope this video is useful for you, and yes, share this video with your friends who wants to come to Canada as a student, so that they will be informed about the cost required during this process. I'm going to make more videos related to Canada application or studying in Canada. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching and keep loving. See you in next video. Thank you.